Hi, Carrie. Hi, Jay. My name's Julie.
Hi, Julie.
And this is a phone call, Jay. I'm calling. I'm up in Portland, and I know you would like to appreciate. I have an urban farm here. It's been 5 years now, and I know you talk about urban farms a lot. So, but I wanted to tell you and give gratitude towards you. A couple years ago, I was up one evening, and all of a sudden I had a message inside of me, and it came out of nowhere, and I didn't know how to download the message. And then 2 months later, I listened to your interview, and it was the first interview you said they're evacuating.
Yep.
And I will tell you, one night I was up at midnight, and I'm on the computer, and I was obsessed with the truth. What is going on in this planet? And I never paid any attention to the 2012 whatnot or anything like that. And a booming message came in my body, and it said they're evacuating. And I had no context to download it. I felt like I was crazy. I shared it with my husband, but then I let it go. And then I listened to your interview with on Fireside Chat. And I just want to say thank you, Jay, because I felt like I was losing my mind. And I've been listening to every interview you have since then, and you helped a girl in Portland that thought she was losing her mind, and you brought some clarity to it. So I just wanted to express my gratitude.
Oh, well, thank you very much. And they are evacuating, and they're leaving, and they're worried, and there's no doubt about it. And
that's interesting. I just got some information in that regard today. I've heard that before, but and we've had bits and pieces. I just got another verification of that. Interesting. Thank you very much, caller, for calling in.
That would be interesting to hear what you have, because there's a lot going on and a lot of strange things going on. I have my night vision goggles, and things up in the skies have been picking up in the last 4 or 5 months, a lot more activity than there used to be, and there used to be a lot of activity. So I'm telling you, there's a lot going on up there. And,
well, there seems to be one of the things, there's a couple things. One thing which I have mentioned on occasion, which is we got word that the contractors in Boston area are exchanging among themselves the fact that houses are starting to be empty, and that the what are in essence banking families are just disappearing.
They are
altogether. They're abandoning their houses. And that was one piece of intel. And then another, more recently, actually I'm going to have him on my show, this guy named John Kettler, who is getting his own contacts and so on. He just started creating a blog and has created quite a furor in the agencies and stuff. He seems to be getting some direct hits in terms of what information he's getting from both intelligence sources here on Earth and then off-world information. He's sort of a natural intuitive. Anyway, he's hearing that the bankers are going off-world, some of them, some of the highest level ones. In particular, he also wrote something about the Warburgs and how they had hung themselves. That hasn't hit the news apparently, but there is a lot of things going on that we're not being privy to. But on the other hand, I think the energetics are something that you can't avoid feeling if you're sort of halfway awake and aware at this time.
Well, I still have this weird feeling that there's a certain percentage of people that when they become awake, all the plans of mice and men, and it's just going to vanish. And I really think that that's the game right now. Terrence, going back to Terrence McKenna, I don't know why, but his words get more strong each year. He said that, once we get awake enough, we're just going to laugh at the people in charge. And I think that's where we're getting to now. And if they weren't causing such toxic problems, it would be okay. But unfortunately, extracting these guys and getting them out of power is the thing that we have to do in order for us to really, truly reach enlightenment. And So that is the game that we have to play right now. The game is exposing these guys, exposing everything they're doing, and then creating a system that uses new technologies to get around them.